Almost quit English over one stupid word.
One word?
Yes, just one.
What happened?
A guy asked me a simple question. I answered. He looked confused. Then I smiled like everything was fine.
Oh no,
Inside, I was dying.
that bad?
That bad. I went home and thought, maybe I'm just not good at this.
And that is exactly the moment we need to talk about today.
Because if you are learning English, you will have days like that.
Days when you feel tired.
Days when you feel slow.
Days when one small mistake feels huge.
So today on Urban English Talk, we are giving you 7 simple words that can stop you from giving up today.
Not tomorrow.
Today.
Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Urban English Talk.
I'm Ibi.
And I'm Maya.
This is the podcast for English learners who want real English, real feelings, and real life.
And today is a little different.
Yes, today is not about work English or texting English,
Today is about your mind.
because sometimes the hardest part of English is not grammar.
It is not vocabulary.
It is not listening.
It is staying with it when you feel discouraged.
Discouraged means you feel like stopping because it feels too hard.
And if that is you today, stay here.
This episode is for you.
Okay, tell the story.
Fine, so I was trying to order food. Very normal situation.
Always dangerous.
Very dangerous. The guy asked me, for here or to go?
Common question.
Yes. But in that moment, I froze. My brain stopped. I knew these words before. I had heard them before. But in that moment, nothing.
What did you say?
I said, yes.
No,
Yes.
not for here, not to go, just yes.
Yes.
That is painful.
He asked again. I panicked more. Then I said, maybe?
That is worse.
I know. Then he pointed at the table and pointed at the door, and only then I understood.
What did you do after?
I took my food, sat down, and felt so embarrassed.
And this is important. It was not a big life problem,
No,
but in your heart it felt big.
exactly. I felt small. I felt behind. I felt tired.
And that is when people start saying dangerous things to themselves.
It's like, maybe I can't do this.
Or, everyone is better than me.
Or, what is the point?
So today we are replacing those thoughts with 7 simple words.
These are not magic words,
No.
but they are strong words,
And easy words.
which is exactly what we like.
Word number 1, pause.
I like that.
Because when you feel stupid, embarrassed, or tired, your first need is not to become perfect.
Your first need is to pause,
Yes, stop the panic for 1 second.
not stop learning forever.
Just stop the negative spiral.
A spiral is when one bad thought becomes many bad thoughts.
Exactly. So after a mistake, do not say, I'm terrible, I'll never learn, I should quit.
Just pause.
1 breath, 1 second, 1 little reset.
Okay, word number 2, breathe.
Simple but real.
Because when people panic in English, they stop breathing normally.
Yes, their body gets tight, their voice gets strange, their brain gets cloudy.
Cloudy means not clear.
So breathe in and out.
This sounds so basic,
Because it is basic and
basic things work.
exactly.
Okay, word number 3, try.
This one matters a lot.
Because many learners wait for perfect English before they speak.
And that is a trap.
A trap means something that keeps you stuck.
Yes, if you wait until you are fully ready, you will wait too long.
So instead of, I need to be perfect, say, I will try.
Try 1 sentence.
Try one question.
Try 1 comment.
That is enough.
And trying counts.
I think people forget that.
They do. They think only success counts,
But trying is success too.
especially in language learning.
Okay, I have another story.
Go.
One time I was in a group conversation. Everyone was talking fast. I understood maybe 40%.
That is a scary place.
Very scary. I wanted to stay quiet. Just smile. Just disappear.
And did you?
Almost. But then I heard one thing I understood. They were talking about movies.
Good. Familiar topic.
So I jumped in and said, I like action movies.
Simple. Great.
My sentence was tiny.
But it entered the conversation.
Exactly. Then someone asked me, oh, really? Which ones?
And suddenly you were in.
Yes. Not because I was amazing, just because I tried.
That is such a good lesson.
Thank you.
Word number 4, ask.
Very important.
Because asking saves you.
Yes. Ask when you do not understand.
Ask when someone speaks too fast.
Ask when one word is confusing.
A lot of learners think asking makes them look weak.
Wrong.
It makes you look serious
And honest.
and brave.
Good asking sentences are so powerful.
Like, sorry, what does that mean?
Or, could you say that again?
Or, can you speak a little slower?
Those small questions can save an entire conversation.
And save your confidence too.
Word number 5, rest.
Oh, people need this one.
Yes, because sometimes you do not need to quit.
You just need rest.
That is so true.
Sometimes learners say, I hate English, I'm done.
But really, they are just tired.
Exactly. They studied too much. They pushed too hard. Their brain is full.
So rest is not quitting.
No. Rest is smart.
Take one evening off.
Watch something easy.
Listen to music.
Go for a walk.
Then come back tomorrow.
You are a human, not a machine.
That should be on a shirt.
I would wear it.
Word number 6, laugh.
Yes,
I love this one because mistakes are often funny later.
not always in the moment.
No, in the moment. They hurt.
But later, many of them become stories.
Like your I like air story.
Please do not bring that back.
Never. That story will live forever.
Fine. Yes. One time someone asked, "What do you like to do?" And my brain broke. I said, "I like air."
Which is still one of the worst answers in podcast history.
Thank you so much.
But now we laugh about it.
Yes, because I survived.
Exactly. So if you say something wrong and later it feels funny, laugh.
That laugh takes away shame.
And shame is heavy.
Very heavy.
Language learning gets easier when you stop treating every mistake like a disaster.
Okay. Word number 7. Continue.
This is the big one.
Yes, because after the pause, the breath, the try, the question, the rest, and the laugh,
You continue,
not because it is always easy,
but because stopping today would be a bad ending to a small bad moment.
that is powerful.
Thank you.
One hard conversation does not mean you are bad at English.
One embarrassing mistake does not mean you are failing.
One tired day does not mean your journey is over.
Continue can be very small.
Yes. Continue by learning one word.
Continue by saying one sentence tomorrow.
Continue by listening for 5 minutes.
Continue by not giving up on yourself.
That is the real message today.
Okay, let's put all 7 words together with one simple example.
Good idea.
So imagine this. You speak English, make a mistake, and feel embarrassed.
First, pause.
Second, breathe.
Third, try again.
Fourth, ask for help if you need it.
Fifth, rest if your brain is tired.
Sixth, laugh when you can.
Seventh, continue tomorrow.
That is a very good system.
And simple enough to remember.
Okay, quick vocabulary section.
These are today's 7 simple words.
Number 1, pause, meaning stop for a short time. Example, pause and think before you answer.
Number 2, breathe, meaning take air in and out. Example, breathe slowly when you feel nervous.
Number 3, try, meaning make an effort to do something. Example, I will try to speak English today.
Number 4, ask, meaning say a question. Example, ask if you do not understand.
Number 5, rest, meaning relax and stop working for a time. Example, I need to rest after studying.
Number 6, laugh, meaning make a happy sound when something is funny. Example, we laughed at my mistake later.
Number 7, continue, meaning keep going. Example, continue learning, even if today was hard.
Okay, let's recap.
If you feel like giving up today, do not make a big decision in a small, painful moment.
Pause,
Breathe,
try,
ask,
rest,
laugh.
continue.
That is your message for today.
And honestly, maybe we all need it sometimes.
Very true.
Now we want to hear from you.
Which of these 7 words do you need most today?
Pause,
Rest?
continue.
Write just one word in the comments.
And if this episode helped you, like the video,
Subscribe to Urban English Talk for more easy English podcast episodes.
and share this with someone who feels tired in their English journey right now.
Thanks for listening.
Take care of yourself
Keep learning.
and keep going step by step.
See you next time.
Bye.